Nothing has been the same, yeah, ever since you arrived. Coming into my orbit, be my satellite. But how do I pull you closer when you're in outer space? Want you to crash into me. Just want your love, your love, your love. 'Cause I'm so in love, in love, in love. Ooh, baby, what's the point in being alone? I wish you were my satellite, satellite. Ooh, baby, said you like me too, but you won't. That body's killer, satellite, satellite. Looking outside my window, seeing you in the sky. Wanna give you a diamond, yeah, I wanna make you mine. Sending. When are you gonna tell me your boyfriend's back? The one you always talked about. That you're not feeling me and you anymore, and you've grown to live without me. Maybe I'm the one that's broken, writing stories I don't know yet. 'Cause I've never been used to something right. I didn't know it was supposed to be easy. Guess I was taught if it was good it would leave me. I always thought if it's hard then it's worth the fight. And we fight, and we fight, and we fight. I didn't know that it could be any different. If it ain't broke, then you. Another fair relationship, guess it's back to situationships. Till this old dying soul feels half alive. Look for opportunity from East LA to Tennessee, and I hope it comes by 2025. There's a four-way stop on a one-way road, and that 210 view never felt like home. If this is truly meant for me, why the hell am I still out here waiting? Staring at the tapestry above the bed you gave me. I still haven't washed my sheets, 'cause I still smell you in the bed you used to rest your head on. How the hell am I supposed to see? Can we both face our demons? Can we change like the seasons? I wanna make her better, wipe the makeup from her face. I wish I hadn't met her, I wish I didn't wanna stay. I wanna wear her sweater and not break down in my room, 'cause there's nothing sweeter than the bitter taste of you. And the bitter taste of you. Hey, feels like I'm insane. I'm afraid of change. The pictures that I framed remind me of when the skies were blue. Chapter 32 is all just me and you, but the ceiling's falling through and all the screws are coming loose. Don't know what to do, don't know what to do. I got everything, everything to lose. Don't know what to do, don't know what to do. 'Cause I've been chasing feelings but I'm running from them too. I feel like crying, I feel like screaming, I feel like throwing up for no reason. I think I'm growing, I think I'm singing. like, will they